I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to enable or disable liquid glass in Apple CarPlay. Step 1. Open Apple CarPlay on your car's console and then tap Settings. Step 2. Scroll down and tap Customize Icons in this menu. You'll see options for default, dark, and clear at the bottom of the screen. Step 3. Tap Clear. You'll see the liquid glass effect applied to your Apple CarPlay icons immediately. You can darken the liquid glass effect by tapping Dark. Alternatively, you can tap Auto to automatically let the system switch between light and dark. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.